here, as you can see. Storage is pretty deep. You see how deep the storage goes? Pretty big. The storage for the unit is right here. They have a lock on it. Then you have washer and dryer right over here. Coin operated, $2. And since I've been doing this, very rarely do I see, I think the heat, I gotta find out if heat is included or not. I gotta find out, I can't remember if heat and hot water is included. I have to check, so don't quote me on that. So this is the garage, and I'm parked out here somewhere. I think I'm parked here. Yeah, I'm parked here somewhere. Oh, here's the garage. So it's 110 spot. Let's see if I can. Alrighty. Oh yeah, I'm parked here. There we go. I don't know what spot it is, but you get one tandem garage spot. This is where I'm parked at. So 20 Bishop Avenue in Quincy on a nice Forbes Hill, quiet Forbes Hill. 5 minutes from East Milton Square, restaurants. Really, really nice apartment. It's that apartment right here on the left side. So call Mr. Real Estate, 617-544-7325 to send an application and view it. Because what I'm not going to do is make appointments for people to see. And I took time out of my day, drove over here to show it, and people stand me up. I'm not doing that. You guys have to put your application based off the video. I'm not wasting my time anymore. Ridiculous. And then these people let us show the apartment, inconveniencing them, and nobody shows up. No applications in person. I'm not doing any more I'm not doing any more showings in person. If you want this apartment, you need to apply off this video, because I'm here. And today, February 26th, I had a 2 o'clock appointment with 2 people, and they both didn't show up. So that's that.